reminder date is a way to make changes that won't go into effect until a future date. When a reminder date is added, the system will generate a task that prompts a company admin to either accept or decline the change. This task will be prompted on the payroll that includes the reminder date. Once approved, the changes will be made to that payroll and future payrolls. Common reminder date examples are employee raises or deduction increases. To add a reminder date, navigate to the page where the change will be made. Select the reminder date box. Select the date. And make your necessary changes. Then click Save. The changes will take effect on the first day of the pay period that encompasses your reminder date. With that in mind, compensation changes that take effect in the middle of the pay period will require manual calculations in the payroll. There are a few ways to do this, but the most common way is to split the pay data grid and calculate the hours or pay at the old rate and new rate. When adding a reminder date to an existing deduction on the deduction page, check the reminder date box, enter the date, then edit the deduction by clicking on the three-dot icon, make the necessary changes, and click Save. To add a reminder date to a new deduction, add that deduction first. If you want to activate the deduction at a later date, add the deduction as inactive. Then add a reminder date to activate the deduction. Once a reminder date has been created, it can be reviewed on the Company Task Manager page or by clicking on the To-Do shortcut on the home page. All pending reminders will be displayed and company admins will be able to accept or decline, edit, or remove the reminder date. To remove or edit your reminder date, hover over the reminder date, then click on the three-dot icon and select one of the options. When editing a reminder date, you can change the value of the reminder and the date. It is recommended that you wait to approve the reminder date. If accepted prior to the payroll, the reminder date should go into effect. The system will apply the change effective immediately. In this case, allow the system to remind you when the reminder date is due. The company administrator that is processing the payroll with the reminder date will get a critical warning on their payroll preview. From there, they can click on the warning and either approve or decline the request.